everybody, and in this video we are going to make a basic scratch game. This is basically how I come up with, this is how I come up with my games that I make. So I have a character already set up. It's a goat, as you can see, and we'll just call it Chase. I don't know why, I just wanted to name it Chase. Anyway, I just have a bit of code set up so whenever green flag is clicked, it goes to here. That will be useful later. And this is a little background sprite that will just go to the back layer. So if it went to the front layer, it would do this. So it needs to be on the back layer. Let's start with a basic movement system for our goat. So we can do, when this key pressed, let's do, well, here, 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 here. Now we decide which keys are gonna do this. Then we go over and we find. So now, whenever we press the keys, our little goat guy moves around, or whatever character you need. I go into full screen. I can just move around my little goat. Okay. Now, I can go make this a battle, like a battle game. So you can fight enemies. I don't know. We'll start with a basic thing. I'll just use. Let's see, what should I use? Let's use the letter. Let's use Terra. Terra looks like a good thing. So anyway, we might want to make like another sprite for Chase, for the attack. So let's make a good sprite. Let's make another sprite for him. Alright, Chase has like a new attack thing. I'll do something with his pouch, but You have him. So we might want to make a new thing just in case I experiment with stuff. We want to make him look like costume one. Well, still actually, but so if I switch him to this version, and then we're in Bonk, he now. Ooh, what's that? Oh. He's now able to, like, if I do this and then Bonk, he just turns back into his normal goat. Thing. So now we want to make a key. So when duplicate, when E key pressed, we'll switch costume to costume 1. And then wait. Is 5 seconds good? And then we'll go to costume. Go to still. So so I'll move around, press E key, and I do this. Now it's fairly obvious that goats attack with their horns. So let's go to Terra, and let's say when green flag clicks, show, go to front layer, and then when I receive, when green flag click, control, forever, if something, touching color black, then we'll probably do more later, but for now we'll just hide. So when green flag click 2. So now if we do this, we can do this, and then when I receive E, if I touch him with my horns, he, yeah, he goes away. Alright, that's actually pretty good. Alright, so let's not go to front layer. Let's go backwards one there. Yeah, so we're in front of him. Alright. So we have Terra right here. You can attack him. We can attack, we can attack him. Alright. I should probably put Terra in a better costume or something like this. Alright, that's actually pretty good. Anyway, let's maybe work on maybe like a points system or something like this. So let's make a variable and call it points. Alright. And then you change points by 1. And then control. Wait 3 seconds. So, you know, we can't just get like a ton of points because it's touching the color black. So let's test that out. And let's not call him Terra. Let's call him Enemy 1. So now we play as Little Goat, and Okay, that's a problem. Our points don't go back to 0. Alright, so let's fix that. That's actually a pretty easy fix. You just can do when green flag click. And then set point to 0. So we can do this. Go over and attack him. Now, let's make another enemy. Let's duplicate this. And let's do, instead of that, let's do looks. When green flag clicks, look hide. And then let's say when I receive 1, looks show, and we can do events, and then you see the broadcast one. Oh no, that'd be a bad thing. We would want it here. So then we can do this. Well, actually, first we would want to change its position. Where's this position? Let's do -5. Negative I'm having trouble. Oh, that's a problem. Since it's touching color. Oh, I could just do this. Well, maybe we need a different idea. Because that's just not gonna work. Oh yeah, I don't have the green flag clicked. What? Okay, well was weird. Oh, let's make another thing and call it chase. Let's make it. That would be a good thing. What would be a good, like, protagonist for this? What about this? Yeah, that works. That works. So, events when green flag cooked. I have to do this all again, so I'll just quickly speed run the movement system again. Alright. So now if I move this, it goes to here. Let's call this chase again, because apparently the goat did not work. That was actually pretty weird. I don't know what happened there. W A S D. Move change X by 10. So bonk change X by -10. So bonk change Y by 10 and change Y by -10. So now we can move around. I might want to make a costume for this, but since it's already has pre-made costumes, I think I'll just do take out B. I think take out B is cool. Yeah, take out B is cool. Let's not use a point system anymore, because that's not really a great thing. So, let's try Goats. Is there a events until 11? So as you can see, this little guy follows our mouse pointer. And what we can do with this is we can let's do Pico. Let's do events from green focus. First, let's make it go backward go backwards one layer. So now this goes in front of him. If you then control the motion, go to random position. When green flag clicked, go to okay. So now we can do this and blank, 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 blank. Alright, and let's make the point system again. So set points to 0. And change points by 1. So now we can do this. But yeah, also points be active. Bonk, bonk. Alright, now that we're at 50 points, let's make a reason you'd want to get to 50. So in green flag, click duplicate. Switch costume to Pika. Let's do. What does Pikachu look like? But instead of that, let's do like this. As you can see, he looks like this. As I'm trying to find him. Now, we have a Mad Pico. Anyway, that will be it for this tutorial. And I don't know what that first thing was. May have been a thing with the model that I was using. Anyway, I'll try to look into that. But for now, Hudson Yan is Meowt. Nyan.